1st of December 2025, and Penny is ready for a test flight. It's been a year and almost 3 weeks since she flew. I had a crazy sensation about a week ago when I suddenly realized, oh, I think I'm done and it's ready to go back in the air. So we've spent quite a bit of time going over, double checking all of our paperwork, double checking all of our work. We just got it off of jacks after a few gear swings, and everything's looking good. She's a little dirty from being in the hangar for a year. It's not a great time of year to be washing her, but it's test flight time. So I'm gonna go grab my sunglasses and we're gonna take this real slow and steady, and yeah, very exciting. So from takeoff, I went straight into the circuit. This was a really quick climb in the 310, especially on a nice cold weather day. And with my first flight in the aircraft in almost 13 months, I spent a lot of time reviewing the operating handbook, emergency procedures, single engine drills, airspeeds before we climbed back in. I've also done a lot of maintenance to the airplane. So not only did we do checks that day, final checks and lots of double checks on everything, but I was really closely watching everything in the actual airplane as well. And I spent a long time with the run-up, making sure that all the systems were working properly. So I kind of picked my time here with the flight, and I managed to get a flight when there was almost no traffic at the airport, which I was very happy, so I could concentrate a little more on the airplane. And as you see, I'm not taking any passengers. This is the first flight after heavy maintenance, and I really don't think you need the distraction of passengers on board when you're trying to pay attention to the aircraft itself. So definitely took me a little while to get into the feel of things again. Lots of tailwheel flying, lots of biplane flying, not so much on the twin flying, so just getting used to the pitch control and holding altitude. Definitely took a little while, but I had a lot of fun, but I did prepare a lot for this. And definitely gave myself some extra space, extra time, tried to take as much pressure as possible off of doing this first flight. And I think it did go very well. And I had a really great time doing it. So this will be my first landing in the airplane in 13 months nearly, and I do a touch and go, depart after the touch and go northbound, climb up to about 4,000 feet and go through a whole bunch of systems checks and just let the airplane fly around for a bit. And I get an hour flight in total, just making sure that everything's happy. We have a couple squawks at the end of the flight to deal with, little minor adjustments to some fuel pressure settings, and overall very happy with how things have been going. We'll do some more videos and get some more content out with the airplane soon. For now, we'll finish with the touch and go, and we'll put up a tiny bit of footage of the aircraft in cruise in the flight, and I think that'll do for now. So stay safe, everyone, and we hope to see you all out there flying. Happy tailwinds.
So the mixtures are like matched up perfectly right now. So pressures, I need a little tweak on manifold and a little more manifold pressure on that #1 engine. Manifolds, RPMs, pressures, and very close on the EGTs. And fuel flow, poundage-wise, is quite different though. About 7 pounds an hour difference. We've always had that spread, so not the end of the world, but I think we could make some improvements.